All right, so we're here in Granite Falls, Minnesota, about to do a stainless install on a John Deere 1910 air cart. And what we've got here is a hydraulic drive system that is pretty corroded out. So as you can see, he's already replaced the stainless tubes, but now we're going to go through and replace the rest of the unit here with Reddy's brand new section command meter housings. So here we go. So the goal here is to try to reuse some of the old manifolds and put them in with the old plastics in with our new stainless parts. But as you can see with this one, they are pretty fused together. The bolts are all rusted in and they just are not coming apart. So what we're having to do is use some new ones, and we're sacrificing some of the old ones so that we can get the parts we need off the bottom of them.
Well, right now we are trying to get the bolts out of the funnel element and the ladder so we can drop the entire assembly here on the first tank. The issue we're running into is they're very seized up from all the rust from the probably from all the fertilizer. So they're coming up slowly but surely. We are working on assembling both of the lower units. This one here we're using the new manifolds.
Mine's going to use the existing ones off the cart.
Yep.
Alright, so right here we've got a hydraulic clamp, more or less, and we are going to throw it on one of those tubes that will not come out of the funnel, or the, I should say the ladder, and try to just squeeze it and break it. Here we go.
Okay, go. No.
Keep going.
Alright, you can release it with the other side. Alright, keep it on there.
Okay. Hey! Look at that, baby.
It's coming! Jesse, you are a genius.
Oh, look at that.
Number 1.
All right, so we're just wrapping up here, and now we got done replacing all of his blowers and meter housings, as well as his meter mounting plate and the funnel up inside the tank. And yeah, he's got some nice stainless tubes on here, and yeah, we also threw on some 2-port coupler kits up on the drill. So, but this machine should be pretty good to go. Should last him a while.